So guys, check this out. We are in Redcliff, Queensland, and chanced upon this event going on. Performance custom built classic cars, and it's pretty amazing. So come, let's check it out together. They even have health tech booth here. Check this out. Wow. This is Redcliff Jetty, and the event is happening just off the road, and we've got ourselves some popcorn chicken and fries to go with the view. Ford GT, Mustang, diecast booth, and check this out. Even has the original Mustang stitching. This is the Beaches Way at the Redcliff Jetty. That's pretty interesting. Look at this, all the songs by the Bee Gees. Welcome to room 611 at the Ramada by Wyndham Golden Beach. This is in Caloundra, Queensland. And straight off the bat when you come in, there's a small kitchenette. A great view overlooking the beach. Nice area to have some coffee and breakfast. Really nice. And back into the room. There is a nice sitting area. The kitchenette is there again. A TV, microwave, fridge, some plates and utensils. And this is the bedroom. With a very nice spa bath for your enjoyment.